Meantime, Nashville Mayor John Cooper is responding to federal criticism of the state's COVID-19 testing.
He turned some of that blame back on Washington for sending mixed messages about the pandemic. News 4's Nancy Amons talked one-on-one with the mayor and has this report.
This unpublished White House report was leaked to the Center for Public Integrity last week. It detailed how the Trump administration classified Tennessee as a red zone for its high infection rate and slow pace of returning test results, sometimes 7 to 10 days. Mayor John Cooper defending Tennessee for testing a higher than average percentage of its residents.
We're really one of the best states when it comes to testing.
But he agreed that testing turnaround times do need to be better. He blamed that on a fragmented national response.
And the only way you're going to do that is by having more efficient purchasing.
Cooper criticized the Trump administration for giving the false impression that the pandemic was over.
And if we had had a more consistent national response, you would not have had, I think, the erosion of behavior in the last month, where this kind of mixed message particularly from kind of the national level, that we're kind of being on the other side of it, and let's relax a little bit. You see how deeply we can be paying for that now.
Cooper again urging Tennesseans to wear masks.
We want to avoid the idea that this is somehow appropriate civil disobedience, that not complying is somehow an American tradition of being independent. It is nothing to do with that. This is about saving lives, getting children back to school. This is about protecting each other.
And on the matter of Lower Broadway and lots of folks down there not wearing masks, Mayor Cooper says he hopes that 10 o'clock cutoff time for serving alcohol will help solve the problem before considering other alternatives. Nancy Amons, News 4 Nashville.